The Owl and the Kind Seagull. Once upon a time, an owl and a seagull were very good friends. They often met and talked happily by the sea. One day the owl felt very weak and could not fly. He had not eaten anything for a long time and could not sleep well at night. The seagull noticed his friend and said kindly, "Dear owl, you look tired and hungry. Please wait here. I will bring you something to eat." The seagull flew away and soon returned with some food. The owl ate the food and slowly felt better. He thanked the seagull for being such a caring friend. From that day, their friendship became even stronger. Moral: always help your friends when they need you.